Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest in automotive innovation, travel-ready rides, and everything in between. If you're into camper vans, road trips, and off-grid living, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most talked about camper vans of the year, the 2025 Toyota camper van. Toyota has officially entered the camper van market in style, and the 2025 model is turning heads for all the right reasons. Designed with both function and flexibility in mind, this van offers a blend of Toyota reliability and all the features needed for a modern nomadic lifestyle. Starting with the powertrain, Toyota offers this camper van in two versions, a hybrid model and a fully electric version. The hybrid combines a fuel-efficient gasoline engine with electric motors for smooth performance and great mileage, while the EV version boasts a range of up to 280 miles on a full charge, perfect for eco-conscious adventurers and weekend explorers. The exterior design is clean and streamlined, making it feel more like a futuristic utility vehicle than a traditional bulky camper. Built on the versatile ProAce platform, the van is easy to drive, park, and maneuver in both city and rural settings. Despite its compact size, it's packed with space-saving features that make life on the road more comfortable than ever. Step inside and you'll find a smart, modular interior setup. The main living area can quickly transform from a seating lounge into a cozy sleeping space, thanks to a fold-out double bed system. The pop-up roof option adds standing room and even includes an extra sleeping bunk, making it ideal for couples or small families. The kitchenette is fully functional and designed to maximize space. It comes with an induction cooktop, a compact fridge, a stainless steel sink, and organized storage compartments for cookware and pantry items. There's also a slide-out table that can be used inside or outside for dining or working. Toyota has integrated smart technology throughout the van. A digital control panel allows you to manage lighting, monitor battery levels, and adjust temperature settings with ease. Solar panels on the roof charge the onboard battery system, giving you extra freedom to camp off-grid without relying on hookups. Another highlight is insulation and comfort. Toyota has equipped the camper with high-grade thermal and sound insulation, making it suitable for various climates. Whether you're parked in the desert or nestled in the mountains, you'll be comfortable inside. The van also includes an independent climate system for heating and cooling when the engine is off. Storage has been thoughtfully planned with custom cabinetry, overhead shelves, and under-bed compartments. There are even external mounts for bikes or boards, so you can bring your favorite gear along for the ride. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The van features Toyota's full suite of advanced safety tech, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, automatic braking, and a 360-degree camera system to help with tight parking or tricky off-road spots. As for pricing, the 2025 Toyota camper van starts around $58,000 for the hybrid version and goes up to about $72,000 for the full electric model with all the upgrades. While it's a premium offering, it's a strong competitor when you factor in Toyota's long-term reliability, service network, and thoughtful design. Whether you're planning cross-country trips or weekend escapes, this camper van is built to support your lifestyle while delivering comfort, technology, and sustainability. Toyota may be new to the camper van game, but they've clearly done their homework. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Toyota camper van. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe Motorcars Insider and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and travel-ready vehicle breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.